In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put 1 million insurance on my boat Progressive. If you want to increase the liability protection on your boat policy, the first thing to do is head to Progressive and review your current boat insurance policy. Before requesting any changes, take a close look at what your existing liability limits are and check for any optional coverages that are already included. This gives you a clear starting point and helps you understand whether you're simply increasing a limit or making a broader coverage update. Once you've reviewed the policy, contact Progressive and ask for a quote to increase your boat liability coverage to $1 million, if that option is available for your policy and in your state. Availability can vary, so it's important to confirm what can actually be added under your current plan. When you reach out, be specific that you want to explore higher liability protection for your boat. As you discuss the change, explain your coverage needs clearly. Let them know how you use your boat, where you operate it, and whether you're looking for stronger liability protection because of your assets or risk concerns. This part matters because the way the boat is used can affect what coverage options are appropriate and what limits may be offered. Next, review the coverage options they present. Compare the liability limits available, any deductible changes, and how the premium would be affected before you make a decision. It's a good idea to listen carefully here so you understand the cost difference between your current policy and the updated protection you're considering. If your boat policy does not offer a $1 million liability limit directly, ask whether a personal umbrella policy can provide the additional liability protection you need. This can be an important alternative when the base boat policy has limit restrictions. Make sure you understand whether the umbrella would sit on top of your existing policy and how it would apply in a claim. When you're ready to move forward, approve the policy changes and confirm the updated coverage. At that point, you'll also need to pay any additional premium required for the increase. This is what officially puts the new protection in place. Finally, verify your updated policy once the changes have been processed. Review the new declarations page carefully to make sure the $1 million liability coverage or the umbrella coverage, if that's the route you used, has actually been added. This final check is important so you know your policy reflects exactly what you requested, and that's how to update your Progressive boat insurance to get higher liability coverage.